The night has always been a time of peace in Glimmerwood, where the stars above guide us, and the light I weave keeps our village safe. But tonight, something is different. The air feels heavy, and a strange silence has fallen over the forest. As the guardian of this enchanted place, it is my duty to protect every corner of Glimmerwood, even the parts we seldom visit. There is a place deep within the forest, known as the Enchanted Grove, a place where the oldest trees stand tall, where the magic runs deep. It is a place of great power, but also of great mystery. As I stand here, I feel a pull, an urging to venture into the grove. The trees around me whisper in a language only they and I understand. They speak of a disturbance, of something that threatens the balance of this ancient place. I can sense it too, an unnatural withering that is spreading through the heart of the grove. If this corruption is not stopped, it could spread throughout Glimmerwood, unraveling the magic that protects us all. I must go, and I must go alone. The path to the Enchanted Grove is one seldom traveled, for it is hidden deep within the forest, where the trees grow thick and the light barely reaches. As I move through the forest, I feel the eyes of ancient spirits upon me. They are the guardians of this place, and they are uneasy. The closer I get to the grove, the more I can feel the corruption. The air is thick, and the once vibrant leaves have turned brittle and gray. I reach out with my light, trying to sense the source of this darkness. But it is elusive, hiding in the shadows, just out of reach. I am not alone in this journey. The forest is alive with creatures, some familiar, others ancient and forgotten. They too are affected by the withering. Their magic is fading, their light dimming. I try to comfort them, but there is little I can do until I find the source of this corruption. As I move deeper into the grove, I come across a clearing. In the center stands a tree, ancient and wise, but it is dying. Its roots, once strong and deep, are now blackened and weak. This tree is the heart of the grove, and it is here that the corruption has taken hold.
I reach out to the tree, feeling its pain, its fear. It tells me of a time long ago, when the forest was young, and a powerful being was sealed within the earth beneath the grove. This being has awoken, and it is angry, seeking to reclaim the magic it once lost. But this magic is no longer theirs to take. It belongs to the forest, to the creatures that live here, and to me. I begin to weave a pattern of light, drawing upon the strength of the forest, the spirits, and the very earth beneath my feet. The light grows, pulsing with power, wrapping around the tree, driving the corruption back. The darkness fights back, trying to overwhelm me, but I will not let it win. I push harder, pouring all my energy into the light, until finally the corruption breaks. The grove breathes again, its leaves turning green, its roots digging deep into the earth once more. The ancient being, now defeated, retreats back into the earth, its power broken, its threat ended. The spirits of the forest emerge, their light returning, their voices singing with gratitude. The balance has been restored.
The Enchanted Grove is once again a place of peace, a place where the magic of Glimmerwood flows freely. But this victory has not come without a cost. The magic of the forest is ancient and powerful, but it is also fragile. It must be protected, nurtured, and respected. I will continue to watch over Glimmerwood, to ensure that no darkness ever takes hold here again. But I cannot do it alone. The light I weave is strong, but it is the love and care of those who live here that truly keeps the darkness at bay. Together, we will keep Glimmerwood safe, now and forever.